Ethereum is on the move back up after bouncing off structure support right here and getting a buy signal. With price versus while money flow low and trend exhaustion low, I'm hoping to see some moves up pretty quickly here. There's some other bullish signs we need to pay attention to, so follow along till the end of the video. Let's get started. Before we get into the charts though, I have a few announcements. First up, we have brand new trade setups. There are 4 more in total, so that puts us at a total of 9 open trades. And on top of this, members will have access to a brand new future forecast video. This video will showcase 5 different unbiased data points to say that shorting or selling is not a good idea. We're feeling pretty bullish here at Trade Confident, so if you want to find out why, be sure to grab a membership at the links in the description down below. Try out our trade setups if you'd like to. Of course, it's not financial advice or anything like that. With that, let's dive into the crypto charts. Taking you over to the tradeconfident.io website, we're going to scroll down to Ethereum. The very first metric we're going to take a look at today is the emotional index, and after this major drop in Ethereum, we have seen a similar drop in the emotional index metric. We are currently in anxious territory, and most often when we drop into anxious or fearful, either way, we will see some pretty significant moves back up. So now that we're back in anxious, that's what I'm hoping to see. Next up is the Ethereum volatility breakout detector. We are currently in low volatility now on Ethereum after a fairly long time of mostly sideways movement. We got a little bit of a spike here. Otherwise, though, it's been within a fairly small channel. Most often when we hit low volatility, this is when impulse moves come into the market. We may see a little bit of low volatility for a while, as we saw back here, but after that, we will typically see some pretty significant moves. In order to decide the direction, we have to pay attention to what whales are doing, and the whale smart money metric is going to help you do just that. Where whale money goes, the price is likely to go too, and whales are more likely to buy into long trades right now. It's not until we see a metric value of around 800 to 1,000 or higher that we're really seeing those big moves up. So we will have to wait and see for that. However, these bars are actually getting shorter and shorter, so long trade sentiment may be running out. Next up is the Ethereum major support and resistance chart. Currently, we are actively testing structure support at $1,785 with structure resistance at $2,142. Moving on now to the Ethereum long versus short trades chart. As we saw up here where whales had a lot of long trades in the market, we can move down here and show that this is really true. This shows a massive amount of long trades entering the market for Ethereum, while short trade stays basically horizontal. There's a very, very slight increase right here, but nothing close to how much long trades have entered the market. Despite this, we have seen an actual drop in price. This shows me divergence, and more than likely, we could see some pretty significant moves up in response. Last but not least is the Ethereum daily trade scanner. Now, we recently got a buy signal, and this has resulted in a very slight move up. As of right now, this buy signal is valid, and based on what we saw back here, it took a little bit of time before a sharp move up really happened. So personally, I would not be surprised. Now, there will be a pattern that plays out right here. As I mentioned, a rising wedge pattern. So it could be a little bit of time before we meet that structure resistance, but as soon as we do, that buy signal will be officially confirmed. Now, if you're an Ethereum trader, you're going to want to be paying attention to these metrics. It's going to be really important moving forward. And our members, on top of metrics like these across 20 coins, will also get access to our trade setups. We currently have 9 trades pending at the moment with 16 wins and 0 losses. You'll also get access to our future forecast videos, and this one shows 5 unbiased data points that show very bullish sentiment. So if you want to get access to future forecast, if you want to get access to those trade setups, members only content, and more, you can grab our membership at the links in the description down below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the membership will be the very first link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our membership page. I personally recommend the full access for $59 a month, as on top of metrics across all 20 coins on our website, you'll get access to those scalping trade calls, future forecast, and many more member benefits. Go ahead and click subscribe now, follow the prompts, and we hope to trade with you soon. With that, let's move on to the live charts. Here we are looking at Ethereum on the 1-day time frame. Right off the bat, we are seeing a falling wedge pattern. Now, a falling wedge pattern is a bullish continuation pattern. We got an uptrend here as we entered. We'll see a little bit of a drop, and most often this will break to the upside. So this by itself is very, very bullish. We did just hit structure support and get a buy signal. This is also bullish, especially when paired with the price versus while money flow low and trend exhaustion though. All 3 of these signals combine to be one of the most bullish signals you can possibly get in cryptocurrency, and we're already seeing 3 green candles in a row after that. What I'm personally looking for at this point is a move up to this structure resistance. Conveniently, at the same time, there's also linear structure resistance about this level, so if we take a horizontal line and put it right about here, we're going to see this descending structure resistance intersect with this horizontal one at $1,937. From the current price, this will result in a move up of about 6.5 0.41%. This is a pretty solid move up. And at that point, if the price versus well money flow is low and trend exhaustion is still low, while we test this structure resistance, this could result in a major break to the upside. So as we move up, that's what I'm looking for. Price versus well money flow low as we test the structure resistance, trend exhaustion low as we test the structure resistance. And if that happens, it's going to break to the upside, and it would be an absolutely crazy move. If price versus well money flow is high, however, trend exhaustion is high, and we get a sell signal at the structure resistance, I think we're heading straight back down to this point. More on that later though. We'll make an update video for Ethereum in the next couple of days, but in the meantime, you're going to want to grab access to these indicators. They're going to be crucial for anyone trading cryptocurrency. If you want to get access, you can find links to the indicators down in the description below. Just go ahead and scroll down, click show more, and the indicators will be the second link. Go ahead and click that. It'll bring you to our indicator page. In order to get the best possible deal, you're going to want to grab the indicator bundle pack first. This will include the trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and several other indicators for you to try, and will include a $400 off coupon for the TC top and bottom finder. Purchasing all 11 of Trade Confidence indicators using that $400 off coupon code is cheaper than buying just the TC top and bottom finder alone, so you're getting a crazy good deal. No matter what you get, it's lifetime access with a one-time payment, and you have over 3,900 downloads on the bundle pack with over 1,200 downloads on the TC top and bottom finder. These indicators are crushing it. Again, links are in the description down below. With that, thanks so much for watching. Trade safe, trade confident, and I will see you in the next video.